Hello, today I am with Anker SoundCore Boost speaker and I want to show you how you can pair it with your iPhone. So at first you have to turn on your device, and when you make it, this power button will light on the blue like that. So to turn it on, you have to click once on this button. Take a look. As you can see, and also as you can hear, the device is turned on. And right now the button is blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. Next, on our iPhone, we have to open the settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Now just wait a little bit and take a look on the devices list. We have to wait until our speaker pops on the list. Select SoundCore Boost. And when you hear this notification sound, it means that we are currently successfully connected. So for example, I can open YouTube and show you that everything is fine. As you can hear, sounds comes from our speaker. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.